Hey guys, I'm going to teach you how to make this super moist chocolate cake. So keep watching if you want to know how. Add 1/4 cup of milk and 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar. Then whisk and let it sit for about 5 minutes before use. After 5 minutes, add 1 egg and 1/4 cup of oil. Add half teaspoon of vanilla and 100 grams of sugar, then whisk it. Welcome to Claudia Cakery, and if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to bake, start now by subscribing and clicking the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Add 62 grams of flour and 21 grams of cocoa powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, then sieve it. Whisk until smooth and combined. Grease a 6-inch cake pan and line with parchment paper, then also grease the parchment paper too. Pour the batter into the cake pan. Tap to remove air bubbles, then bake in a preheated oven at 177 degrees Celsius for 28 to 30 minutes. So place a bowl over a boiling water with 150 grams of dark chocolate and 60 grams of milk. Keep stirring it at intervals. Then add half teaspoon of butter. So once it's done melting, remove it from the heat and let it cool for a few seconds, then pour it over your cake. Then let this cake set in the fridge for a few minutes, then cut and serve. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe.